Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome to Period 3 Theology. As you have noticed by now, I am not going to be in class today. So I am providing you with a handy set of video instructions, which you have by now found on the Google assignment posted in the classwork tab of our Google Classroom, along with a set of printed instructions that you can use as a sort of checklist to take you through the period. This video is going to provide you with some visual context for what I am asking you to do, and you can also use those written instructions to help you along. So let's get started. Today's class has three objectives. The first one, making the final draft of your 7-word bio. This is the fourth edition and the final draft of your 7-word bio. Part 2, you're going to be submitting the first draft of your summative assessment essay, the Your Autobiography Summative Assessment Essay. You will be completing Part 1 using the work that you have done up until this point. And then the third objective is to do a free write on one of the segments of meaning, the most important segment of meaning to you in your 7-word bio. But we're going to first start with some composition book note work. So go ahead and open your composition notebook to a fresh blank page. You're going to put the date up in the upper right hand corner, and then write 7-word bio, 4th edition at the top of the page. Once you have done that, you're going to skip a line and write major themes. You're going to skip another line, and then you are going to have the major themes for your 7-word bio. Now, you are going to find those major themes by going back through all of the work that we have done up until this point in your composition notebook revolving around your 7-word bio. So last Thursday in class, we put together 3 editions of your 7-word bio and a number of revisions. I want you to go ahead and review that work right now, and you can pause the video while you're reviewing that work if you would like. Okay, so now you should have reviewed that work, those 3 editions of your 7-word bio, those revisions that we did in class on Thursday. And I want you to draw 3 major themes from all of that work. By going through and seeing that work, you should have 3 major themes or ideas from your own life experience as written in those 3 editions and in the revisions. And I want you to identify those in one sentence. So what is major theme 1 in one sentence, major theme 2 in one sentence, and major theme 3 in one sentence? And if you look here, I have given the 3 major themes in green as examples that are part of my 7-word bio. So you identify your own major themes and go ahead and write those in list format under the major themes title. All right. Once you have written your 3 major themes, you're going to go ahead and skip a line and write the title 7-word bio final draft. Skip one more line and then devise a final draft of your 7-word bio. This is the 4th edition, the final edition. It should not be 100% similar to editions 1 through 3 of your 7-word bio. That being said, you can use some same words or the same phrasing if you would like, but I would like it to be unique, a unique 4th edition. I want you to use your best judgment here on creating a unique 4th edition. Again, you can use some of the same words, some of the same phrases, but this one should be a little bit different from the 3 prior editions of your 7-word bio. Once you have that final draft written, you see I have mine here written in green. I want you to go ahead and box where your 3 themes show up in your 7-word bio. Each major theme is a segment of meaning in your 7-word bio. So when I say we're boxing each major theme, there's my first one, my second one, and my third one. And you'll see that it corresponds to each major theme that I wrote above. Those are segments of meaning, major themes in your 7-word bio. Once you have that done, you've now identified your 3 major themes, you've written out the final draft of your 7-word bio, and you've identified the segments of meaning that correspond to each of the 3 major themes. I want you to go ahead and switch over to that autobiography essay summative assessment draft 1 document that is attached to the Google Classroom assignment where you found this video and the instructions for class today. Once you get to that document, you are going to go ahead and replace the italicized text with what it's asking you to insert. So you'll put your first and last name. If this was my copy, I'm writing not in italics and regular Times New Roman, size 12 font. I'm writing my first and last name. Period 3 can go ahead and stay there right here. You can keep the title for now, My Autobiography, and then you are putting your 7-word bio here under part 1. Again, switching out of italics into regular Times New Roman, size 12 font. You're writing your 7-word bio here. Hopefully spelling everything correctly. Perfect. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and hit submit on this assignment to Google Classroom. You've completed now objective 2, which is this essay portion. Once you have this essay portion submitted, we're just doing again part 1 here, very simple. You're going to go ahead and go back to your composition notebook, and you are going to, let me pull that up, pick the most important segment of meaning in your composition notebook. For me, the most important segment of meaning is this one right here, son, brother, and you are going to free write on that segment of meaning for 10 to 12 lines. And by 10 to 12 lines, I mean a line being these things here that I am drawing lines in on the page. So you'll flip to a new page and free write on your most important segment of meaning for 10 to 12 lines. The focus for that free write is a person, a place, a thing, an experience that inspired you to put those words into your free write. If you have any questions on any of these 3 objectives, please go ahead and rewind the video to rewatch the instructions, or you can refer to those written instructions as a checklist of how to complete each of the 3 objectives for class today. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you next period. These things will be checked for completion, so please make sure you're completing them by the end of the period today. If you have any questions, please turn to a neighbor and see if they can help you figure it out, or shoot me an email. I will be on freshman day of service with period 6, so I will not reply right away, but I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope the rest of your day goes smooth, and I'll see you soon.